Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Atom code editor in your PC. So to install Atom, you just have to search in the browser Atom, hit enter, and here you can see the first link atomeditor.cc. So just go here and go for the download. Here you can see current version is 1.63. So download it. Now scroll down a little bit. And here you can see Atom setup 64. So if you are using 32-bit, just go with this one. My PC is 64-bit, so I will go with this one. Just click here and then it will be actually start downloading. And I have already downloaded this. Let me show you. If I go to the download folder here, you can see I got this. So just double click on it. It will launch once it is done. So guys, here you can see we got the Atom here. So we got here welcome page also. And that's it. Now, if you want to add project, you can just click here add folders and then you can add your project. Let's say in this case, this captchas. So select it and here you can see we got test.html here. And if you want to increase the font size, you have to press Ctrl from your keyboard and then plus sign from your keyboard. By pressing Ctrl then plus to increase the font size, and if you want to decrease it then go for minus sign. Ctrl plus minus sign. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.